Hello, it's Salim. In today's video, I will show you how to clean carbon buildup on a piston head and intake valves without using any cleaner, and I will show you the before and after picture with using in-scope camera. There are so many ways to clean carbon buildup on the piston head and intake valves with using different kind of cleaners with different applications. I did so many videos about them and I will put them in the video description box below and YouTube card if you wanna check it out. But this video is about cleaning without using any cleaners. So the answer for that is by installing oil catch can between PCV valve and intake manifold to filter that oil vapor from entering the engine. And once we stop the oil vapor from entering the engine, carbon won't build up on the intake valves and piston head. And as you're driving the car, it cleans the carbon buildup, especially if you are driving on a highway. I have a detailed video how I installed oil catch can on my 2017 Toyota Camry step by step. And you can apply the same principle on most cars. It's been about a year I have installed oil catch can on my car, so let's see how much carbon we have on the pistons and compare it to how it was before. Alright, I'm gonna enter cylinder number 1. Here is how it was before installing oil catch can, and here is how it looks now. You can see a significant change from heavy carbon buildup. And here is cylinder number 2. Same heavy carbon buildup before installing oil catch can, and here is how it looks now. And here are cylinder number 3. And the last, cylinder number 4. With every oil change, that much oil being collected from entering intake manifold and burn on the pistons to create carbon buildup. You just need to clean that much oil and put it back again. It's been a long time this car not been on a highway, only in the city, and even the spark plugs looks clean. But I have to give it a fast cleaning with ultrasonic cleaner and seafoam, and here's how it looks now comparing how it was before. And I would like to show you the 4 cylinders before installing oil catch can and after installing oil catch can pictures side by side so you can see the difference. This video also recommended by some of you, but I wanted to have enough data to show you the proof how it works and how much difference you will get after installing oil catch can. Tools and the products I use will be in the video description box below, plus installing oil catch can video. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope the video was helpful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.